Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Amber in Washington on this Longhorn Superior N6. Amber, it's all ready to go for you. Just the basic tuning alignment and the Toshiba regulator. Still gets these radios getting on down like James Brown in the World of Sound. We're going to start right here with the RF power all the way down. 500 watt slug. Set at 25 watts. All the way down, so you got plenty of adjustability if you're going to use this like a 16 or 24 pill. 125 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Low, low, right at 300 bird. So what do we see for a peak? 1000 watt slug. Hello, 625, maybe 630 watts. Alright, Amber, we're going to get us up to the northwest corner. It's a long trek up there. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bop, bop.